shouldn't be on.
I thought I could smell something. That's a blooper. Yeah, so Connor's just arrived up at the house and with the best request I've ever seen. Hi, Connor.
Hello.
So, what are you looking me to do here, buddy?
Please,
Fill me in.
please grind my wings that I didn't want to touch.
Nice. Let's get a real sick shot of that. Oh, that's lovely. Wouldn't be unlike us to have a Merc that's rotten, no, would it? This was meant to be a Subaru video. Once again, you turned it into a video.
That's what I do.
Right, I might get the grinder out. So you just want me to flat it back?
Just so it's not going to kill any pedestrians, or
I'm gonna need a tetanus shot after that.
or if it does, kills them without looking like it's going to kill them.
Right. This will be fun.
There's the grinder.
There'll be some amount of editing in this video. Maybe we shouldn't have started. Alright. We'll use this disc because it's not a thin, it's not a cutting one, it's for flattened back, so
Perfect.
maybe that'll do, hopefully. So, right. Here we go, I guess. You don't care about your beautiful paintwork, do you?
No. Not at this stage. So
Why would you do that?
it didn't cut into the wheel anymore.
My dear Lord. So they call George Harrison because my sweet Lord. Right, let's change this. Come over and we'll do a video of my Subaru. Aye. No, can we do my Merc first? Broke it again.
It's about the height of it.
Feel good. That's the beautiful part about James Brown. He just feels the need to mention another song, and that song is just like, here. By the way, I feel good.
It's like an advert. But you don't have to pay for it. It's a box up.
I'm gonna edit that out.
Yeah, it's not staying in our video, I tell you. What'd you get?
Hello.
That's actually a little bit tidy looking.
Did you? Really? Do you know what the sad part about this is?
What?
I have the previous owner of this car on Facebook.
Oh,
He might watch this video and be like, I thought that car was going to a good home.
it did. It did go to a good home.
Have you not seen the past
It didn't go.
30 minutes of footage?
Didn't go to a wealthy home.
Yeah, fair enough. I'll tell you what.
What?
If ever there's a case against these MOT exemptions right now, this car is it.
Yeah. Definitely.
So,
So look at it. Solid.
I'd be amazed how solid fellows can be, wouldn't you? Look at that, like. Jesus. Alright. I have high hopes for our Fintail bodywork like this.
Yep.
I don't know if I've actually helped you at all today, Connor.
No. But we tried.
But I'm getting to hit your car with a hammer, which I've wanted to do from the day you bought it, so
Yeah, that's not nice.
that's not nice, I'm sorry.
That's mean.
The only thing we can do is if we now put some black paint on it, so as the cops drive past they'll not notice it, hopefully. Because black's less noticeable than
Silver.
disappointment. Direct to rust. Yeet! So now, in an attempt to stop the police seeing it as they drive past, we're going to paint it black so that it just looks like a big shadow. Because the car's so fast, it looks like a big shadow going past.
Yeah.
Right. To David Haney, I am sorry. That's his name.
I know. I remember. I bought a car off him once.
Did you?
Yeah.
Alright, how much do you wish you could give it back to him?
No, I don't. I'm so glad I still own this car.
Alright. That makes one of us. I've had some interesting messages before, but getting the message from your best friend saying, "Can you get the grinder out so we can have a go at smoothing the wings of my mark?" You look at that.
Nothing but the best
Jesus.
for Mercedes Benz.
Top quality. Just thinking of getting a job for Gribbons. A job at Gribbons. Doing bodywork. Wait, no, that's not slagging their work. That's saying that I'm so good at this, I could work for them.
Just sounded like you were slagging.
It did,
me.
didn't it? Not intended at all.
Sorry, Gribbons.
No. My elbow would look at this and say, "Jeez, that's a good job." I hope he doesn't watch these. He'd be looking at it saying, "You sure you don't need new wings? You look at that." That just makes it look like the car is not as low anymore. This is like fixing your springs, Connor. I've done you 2 jobs at once here. I've raised your right height and I've fixed your wings. Unreal, Tara.
Yeah.
I'm actually some pup. Look at that. Sure, you wouldn't even notice that when it was going past you. In fact, I'll do the same to here. Just in case.
Have you any newspapers we can scrunch up and put in there? Paint black. I'm only half joking.
We could do something. This was not how I intended on today going.
No, me neither.
Well, obviously it was. You requested this.
That was a last minute request.
That's not a bad old job, now. I'll see you got the dub shed next year.
No, that was a slag.
At least it's German. Looking at you, Fiesta owners. Want to kind of superimpose like an image of Bob Ross on my head doing this.
Probably.
There are no mistakes.
That can be the thumbnail.
Just happy accidents. That could be, couldn't it? Have your arch on his easel. Yeah, that's happening. Right, let's see what we can put in here and paint black. Here, we're getting somewhere now.
Where's the pop rivets?
I was actually about to go and get the pop rivets.
Yeah?
I'm not joking.
Might as well.
Right, sure, get the pop rivets.
Yeah, go on then.
Yes!
Come this far.
Awesome, right. This is the correct size because I was putting in pop rivets earlier.
Why doesn't that surprise me?
I was putting on the VIN plate again. For legitimate reasons. I took it off to paint the bay. Right, here's how you do pop rivets because I learned this earlier.
Alright.
Here's one I learned earlier. So, you get it where you want it. That's...
Lift it up a wee bit. So
yeah, I
it
want
looks...
to protect your chrome a bit more just.
Yeah, because that's not a bad...
That's still good.
Boom. Matika.
Matika? No, it's Makita, you. There's going to be some amount of beeps in this video. Right. Tell you what, hey, people are going to be wondering what's going on. 47's getting some resurgence. Pull it to about there and it's not hitting your chrome. Oh, that's undoing. I need to
Unholding.
control V, not control whatever. There's no going back now. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Right. Pop rivets. Talk about. Pop rivets. Talk about. Pop rivets. I could put self-tappers on, it'd be funnier, but
Has bodging gone too far?
Has what?
Has bodge job gone too far?
Pop rivet gun. Pop rivets. So I can picture the title now, How to Professionally Repair a Mercedes W124 Rusty Wing.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, put that in. You would probably normally wait for the paint to dry so you're not getting paint everywhere.
No.
But this is a quick video. You put that boy in the hole. Might need to spit on it first.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Not quite, but it'll do. Actually, anywhere solid to put another one on. Oh boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you girly.
Yeah.
There we go. That's actually a more professional looking one there.
Yeah. Solid. Need to get some of the right colour paint.
Nice.
Oh my
Now, bodywork.
Got hammerite on my hands.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a bodywork hammer.
Okay.
Smart ass. I just noticed that there's this wee edge here, so I just want to. Missed. I had it off the wheel and it missed. I tell you what, hey. I'd buy that myself. Normally I'd put a bit of filler in that and actually try and make it look good, but if you paint it black, it has the same effect.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
then you get paint. I'd like to point out that we can actually do good repairs at this house.
For a
No.
later video.
They don't tend to be at this house, they tend to be at our shed, and they tend to involve a Mercedes Benz. That'll only get the best.
At some future point.
And look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That's the most solid bit of metal in this car. You know what the mental thing is, right? See this?
What?
This would pass an MOT.
Yeah. And that kind of tells you something about the state MOTs as well.
You slagging my brother who works in the MOT centre. I don't appreciate that, Connor. And knowing him,
He wouldn't appreciate that either.
Yeah. Some of these cars never going to pass. You may find a new test centre.
This one wasn't going to pass anyway.
Look at that, hey. That's flawless.
Yes.
No peeler's going to question that.
Yeah.
I just took a step back and looked at it. I'm putting finesse into it here. I'm actually trying there. Give me that.
Charisma.
It's going to be like Father Ted. No one keeps doing the repair and he dents the whole car. I'm going to keep painting a wee bit more until you get black wing. You'd actually go out. I've painted the whole wing black.
You would. It would look better than it does anyway.
If I'm doing this, I'm doing a good job. Like.
We'll get a bit more metal and put it on this.
I hear that's a good job now.
Yes.
So to finish the line and have it be this whole thing, would that look better? It's your car, you tell me. Should I bring it to that point and...
No.
No?
No.
That's much better than it was. And by that, I mean, that's not at all actually, is it?
No.
So, thanks for watching our video on how to repair a Mercedes W124 wing. Hopefully yours comes out as good as ours does.
Professional.
Beauty.